Well, it's May 2nd, and in the geocaching world, that's Big Blue Switch Day. So it marks the 25th anniversary of when the US pulled the big blue switch and turned on selective something to make GPSs more accurate, and that was the birth of geocaching. So if you find a cache or attend an event from May 2nd to May 4th, you get a special souvenir for your profile. So I'm hosting an event to get the souvenir that next. So we're back at our favorite watering hole, Tim Hortons. Can you believe the reviewer wouldn't let me put favorite watering hole, but I could put Tim Hortons okay.
Did you guys go to Hawaii already?
We did.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Got lots of cash?
Did I know how to use my computer really well, but I'm not. Right? But it's fine.
All right, event's over. Got this souvenir, and then I had a cache published today too. That wasn't actually supposed to come out to Sunday. That was the one I hid in the previous video. So got the souvenir for the hider and the souvenir for the finder. So, catch you later.